your boy Jumpman Maple back at you with another video, and in today's video we have a double unboxing for you guys. And as you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 1 mid and the low. And without further ado, let's dive quickly to the video and talk more about the shoe. First off, we have the Air Jordan 1 low. As you guys can see, this is a colorway that I've been waiting for patiently. And as you can see, this is the Air Jordan 1 low smoke gray. Really beautiful shoe. As you guys can see, the side panels over here, they're all in this smoke gray colorway, similar to the mids that came out and it was really popular. I guess they got popular because of the Dior Jordan 1s, which were like really expensive to get, and since people couldn't get a hand on them, they decided to get those mids instead. And now we have the low version of that. So as you guys can see, starting from the bottom over here, you have this black outer sole, white midsole over here. The panels are mostly in gray, and then you have a white panel over here, a black swoosh. Moving to the back of the shoe, you can see this Air Jordan embroidery in red. And as we move to the toe box area is white, and it has a black nylon tongue with a red Jumpman logo. And inside the shoe, the inner sole is in red color with a black Jumpman logo. So this is a really dope shoe, and sadly I couldn't get one my size, and this is a size 10, so that's why I won't be doing an on feet. But I did want to show you guys this shoe that I picked up, and I'm gonna be selling this to my friend since I won't be able to wear this. But that was the first pickup for this week. And then moving on, we have a second pickup, which is the Air Jordan 1 mid. It's called the white Camo, and I really like this shoe a lot because similar to the gray one that you just saw, if you guys missed out on the mids, now the gray lows that I have over here, these are really difficult to get because they sold out really quickly, and resellers are just at it. So I mean, good luck with that. But this, on the other hand, this released this week as well. This is still sitting. So if you do happen to spot this in your local mall or in your Champs or Foot Locker store or Foot Action, to be precise, Champs has this. So if you do manage to see this, I would definitely say try to cop this, because if you see the colorway, it is kind of similar to the smoke gray mids, but it's just a lighter shade of gray. And I'm a big sucker for camo, so I mean I really dig the camo print that's over here. So taking a quick look at this shoe as well, the bottom outer sole is in this light gray color, and the panels over here, side panels over here, and the back, they're all made out of this light gray color. And then the panel here is white, panel over here, and the back towards the heel is in white color. There is a light gray nylon kind of sole along with the Jumpman logo over there. And inside the shoe, if you can see, it is a white inner sole with a black Jumpman logo. And then there is this nice camo print over here that I really dig. Now this one as well was sold out really quickly. So I'm a size 8, so it's really difficult to get my size, and they sell out really quickly. But I picked up a size 10 again for my friend, so lucky him, because he's gonna get both of these, and I wish I could get them my size. But if you are if you have big feet, or if you're bigger than a size 10 or whatever, I'm pretty sure that there's still sizes available. So if you are going to the mall this weekend, if you're in Toronto, in Canada, if you're going to the mall this weekend, I would definitely say try to pick these up. So I'll put this aside and I'll show you guys the box really quickly. First off, I'm going to show you the box for the Jordan 1 low smoke gray. Inside the box there's nothing, it's just tissue paper along with the extra pair of shoes. There's no extra laces. They retail for $120, so there's nothing special with it. The official colorway for that, the Air Jordan 1 low smoke gray is it's light smoke gray, gym red, white, and it's a size 8, and it's $120. That's in Canadian for the retail price. looking at the other box over here for the Air Jordan 1 Mid Camo, the official colorway is white, photon dust gray fog. As you guys can see over here, and this is a special edition, and it retails for $165 plus taxes. Inside the box, you have the same 0.3 logo paper, tissue paper with the additional pair of shoes, and there is no extra laces for this, even though it's a special edition. But I'm not complaining because I like the way it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I picked up this weekend. As you guys can see over here, they're both dope looking shoes, and this one I really want for myself, but I've tried to buy them for resale, and the local resellers here are selling them for $230 or $250, and they're not budging from that price. And that's a price I don't want to pay, because I picked this up in retail for $120. On the tops I could pay $200, and that's something I'm okay with. But you know what, in life you can't get everything, so you just need to be content with whatever you have. And so if I can't get it for the $200 or for retail, I'm just gonna move on. There's gonna be other Jordan ones, but you know, life goes on. Yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of the video. I know today's video is a bit shorter because pretty much I didn't get to do anything on feet, because they're all size 10s and they're not my size. And with that being said, it is getting colder now, and so you can see me wearing a hoodie. And you know, everybody that's watching this video, wherever you're watching this video from, thank you so much for your support. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, it's getting colder. You know, stay warm, stay happy with your family, take care of yourselves. And with that being said, I would like to end this video by saying God bless, take care, and peace out.